Merry Christmas, guys! You guys, Merry Christmas. Hope you're having a wonderful Christmas. I really wanted to put out a video today just to personally wish you guys Happy Christmas. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas. 2023 is going to be our year, okay? I know we say this every year, and every year we achieve a lot, but you know, like we keep saying it because we hope to even achieve more the next year. So 2023 is going to be our year in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay, so in this video, the clips you guys are about to watch, Adeze and I, we finally did our gift exchange. If you watched yesterday's vlog, you will see when I was packing her gift. And okay, let me just let you guys watch it, then I'll come back and unbox Adeze's gift to me and tell you guys about it.
Kobe, who did you buy? Okay, go and give who you bought for. Sit on top, the small blue one. Yes, wow. Now give it to Kaito. Woo! Now Kaito, go and give your person. Eva. Oh. Adana. See corazones. That red one. Oh, Kobe. Oh. Oh. Now, Kora, give Adana. Oh, now all of you hold your gift. Stand in front of the tree. Let's snap you. Kobe, don't worry. Everybody stand together now. Coco, just leave it. Stand together. Stand together. Say cheese. Look at me and smile. Say cheese. I know they are in their picture. Just leave so. Say cheese. Dada, your gift is so cute. You should bring my alarm here, Puno. For Adana. I can't bring Adana for her.
Which one am I with?
Wow. Yay. Nobody will share this one with me. Thank you. Not for corner. Not giving everything. Everything that I like. Yes. Thank you. Oh, this one. Oh yeah, I love it. So yeah, I know what's not to buy for part two. Thank you. Don't like this. Yes, I love this one. See, we should be doing this every year. We're never stopping this. This year I was stressing my brain. I couldn't think of anything. This year, it was very stressful. Or next year, shall we plan? We plan early. Make it last 1 minute. 2 hands. Stay there. Not there.
Guys, if I tell you how happy I was when I received this gift, I swear I was so happy. See, I had what's it called, pressure cooker before, pressure pot more like. I had a pressure pot, and Uche them spoiled it. Not like it spoiled, they lost a vital thing on it, so like there's no pressure in it anymore, so it's just working as regular pot. So I've not been using it, and anytime I go, I want to buy it, I'll see 20 something, 30 something. I'll be like, I beg it 30 something, that waiting happen. Some of them even 40 something, you know. See, mothers, I'll carry that money now, go and buy toy for my children, but I refuse to buy it for myself. Then what do I know? Adeze gifted me a pressure pot. And the thing is that my last vlog again, I made unkwobi, right? I boiled cow leg. I swear it took me like 3 to 5 hours to boil cow leg that would normally take me like 15-20 minutes with a pressure pot. So I remember complaining to Adeze, I was like, do you know how many hours it took me to boil this thing? That I wanted to even come and borrow her own pressure pot to use it to boil the cow leg. I was even complaining to her, not knowing that babe has already bought me my gift. I don't know, she already bought me the pressure pot, but anyways, let's unbox. This is the pressure pot that Adeze got me. It's from Crown Star. See, Adeze and I, this is blocking my face. Whenever we go shopping, we like to buy from brands that we know. You know that thing? The angel you know is better than the devil you don't know. Abi the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. We like to buy from known brands that are used and trusted. Abi, Now waiting did they talk up. Anyways, she bought me Crown Star. It looks so nice. Let me quickly unbox it. Hey you guys, I'm so excited. Man, I can't wait to make another nkwobi. This thing is so vital. Woo! First things first, this is definitely fancier than the one I had before. This thing goes here. It's definitely way fancier than the one I had before. That one was actually a wedding gift, the one I had before. So it was more old school than this one. So cute, this rubber. I think, okay, it goes here because this one is already here. No, there's always a rubber here. Anyways, this is the part. What do you have to say to the subscribers?
Merry Christmas.
Saito, come here. What do you have to say?
Merry Christmas.
You guys, I brought them here to play. These people, they really changed a lot. There's basketball available today. This swing used to be over there. Now they even put like stadium-like chairs for parents to sit and be watching. That thing is new. There's water. There's also that big pool which they're going to enter. I didn't even know there'd be water here today, but they made available swimming trunks to rent. So I'm going to be renting. Princess, you want to enter inside? It's very cold though. Don't worry. You will change very soon. Careful, Coco. See sand. You guys see sand. Whoa. This is so thoughtful. Like this playground didn't used to be like this before. I'm actually very impressed. And now for my gift to myself, so I gifted myself this Christmas because I don't know, why not? So I bought myself a bag. Like, okay, so let me tell you guys, I follow, you guys know my friend Izine Ziggy Navani on YouTube. Even though I was already looking at buying like a Jack Mills bag, but she did a video, she was like, if you can't afford Chanel, like it's like 8,000, 4,000 for the small one, 8,000 for the big one, you know, you should go for another classic like bags from Jack Mills. So I was like, okay, that one I can afford because $8,000 on a bag, hey, Jesus Christ, plot of land. As a handbag, in my mind, I've not reached, okay? I have not reached. One day I'll reach, forget this I'm talking now. I'll still come and tell people that I bought it. But till then, I cannot afford it now. I decided to buy myself a Jack Mills bag. Yeah, so my friend Ihoma helped me bring it back from the UK. I got it from the website. Well, she helped me order it. I just transferred to her. She helped me order it from their website. It comes in this box right here. See, later I'll be claiming Instagram influencer. I'm supposed to do all those cute unboxing for Instagram, but yeah. Is it I don't care or I don't know how? Maybe a combination of both. But you guys, don't worry. Subsequently, see next year, we'll start creating better Instagram content. But in the meantime, let me show you guys the bag. So it comes in this box. When you open it, I'm just opening and trashing things everywhere. So this is the return card in case you want to return. It has a return card and also it has this and the return card. Both of them came inside this envelope like thing, and then you also get stickers. See, it came with plenty stickers. Oh, it has a return stamp as well in case you want to return, but I'm not returning. It also came with these stickers, and apart from these stickers there, I'm sorry, I know this unboxing is all over the place. Apart from that, it came with all this. These are definitely stickers. The thing is that I don't know what to do with this. I'll probably give it to my children to play with. Please, am I supposed to place this on the bag? Am I supposed to place it somewhere? Like, even people have this bag. Obviously, I've not seen anybody with stickers on their bag, which I also don't want it on my bag because it messes up the bag. It's not cute. But I guess some people want it. I don't even understand what it's supposed to be for. I'll give it to my children. I'll just place it on the wardrobe or place it in the house. But shall I came with these stickers? Then, see you guys, I'm actually going to try and package this in again. Let me see if I'll actually succeed in making an Instagram unboxing video and try and be cute over there on Instagram, okay? Anyways, came in this bag, Jack Mute, okay? And then, this is the cuteness. This bag is so cute. You know the funny thing here, when I first got this bag, as much as I loved it, it was smaller than I thought. You know when you're buying something on the website now, it was smaller than I thought. Even though this is not the smallest, I think. To be honest, I don't even know if I did a mistake. But I know they have all these mini bags that your phone cannot even enter. So I wanted one that I can put my phone and put my lip gloss, car key, card, money, like put things when I'm going out. So I don't remember what this bag is called. It has a name. I'll find the name and put it on the screen. I'm so sorry about this. But anyways, I bought this bag. It is just the most beautiful thing. I'm going to try and do an upload for you guys, or maybe not. I'll just leave it at this because that means changing my camera position. But can you guys see, is it focused? Yeah, you can see the name Jack Mills, and it's a brown leather. And I wanted to go with brown leather first because, you know, I don't have a lot of designer items, so I like to go with the ones I'll use more often first. Then subsequently, I'll now start buying crazy colors. I actually want to buy this bag again, but in the yellow or green, because I don't know, I like the bag. It's just so cute. Like when you're just hanging out, like it's super cute. Forget this jalabi I'm wearing, you know. Like this boob I'm wearing, you're not going to see the beauty, but it's like such a cute bag. Like it's so cute. So and I like how it opens and closes. Like it just opens and like you don't have to start looking for, unless the bag is overpacked, then it's a little bit difficult to close. But by the way, I've used it too. I've gone out with it 2 times. Anyways, open and close. It's very, very easy. And close. Yes, my love. Guys, don't mind yourself. I'm coming to beat him. She's happy. So inside, it has this inside. What is this? Whatever this is, Sha. And it also has a long strap inside. This is a long strap. Even though I don't see myself using this strap, to be honest, because I just bought this bag for like evening outings, night out. Obviously, it goes with some casual look. If I'm going to wear it casually, I'll use the strap. But for now, my casual look is boo-boo. I'm not about to wear boo-boo and carry this, unless it's a stylish boo-boo, Sha. But casually, every other day I go and do rubbish in the afternoon is boo-boo or something I just wear my Crocs. So I don't see myself really using the straps for now, but I have it just in case I need it. You guys, how cute is this bag? Like, and it matches my skin. It goes with my skin. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I don't even know how I did this vlog because I went out today. We went to church, then from there we went to play, then we went to eat, and then I came back and I'm filming this part before ending this vlog. I don't know how this whole vlog is gonna go, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and happy Christmas to each and every one of you. I cannot wait to see what 2023 has to talk for us. I know it's not New Year yet, but I'm sure projected. So Merry Christmas everyone, Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.